To re-include a room sensor, first, remove the front cover using a flathead screwdriver. Open the app, go to Settings, Devices, and click Include Device at the bottom. From there, follow the instructions. If your sensor is permanently affixed to the wall, you will have to move your Genius hub to it. When the app says the hub is now ready to start inclusion, you will have 2 minutes to complete the re-inclusion procedure. Next, unplug the power and Ethernet cables and position the hub within 2 meters line of sight of the sensor. Locate the small black dip switch in the upper left-hand corner and press it 3 times within 1.5 seconds. Upon communicating with the hub, you should see the red LED flash. Replace the cover bottom end first. The cover should snap into place. Finally, return the hub, ensuring the power and Ethernet cables are plugged back in.